captain of Vedas Public School. As you all know that Vedas is very familiar with its own activities. One of the prestigious activities in our Vedas school is elections. You may have doubt that why Vedas is conducting elections every year in a democratic manner. The truth behind this is Vedas is trying to bring an awareness in the society as well as in children. As students of Vedas, we are learning how to vote without taking bribe, how to use the right to vote, how to cast our vote to the right leader. I strongly believe in my words. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. The leader is one who works restlessly and works hard for the incredible growth of his people. At the time of campaign, I make some promises. Once again, I want to repeat them for you all. I will be a backbone to the teachers. I will maintain my team to work for the welfare of his students. I will allow volunteers and work for the progress. Constantly, I will concentrate on negatives. I am going to change all the negatives into positives. లాస్ట్ బట్ నాట్ లీస్ట్ మీ సంతోషంలోనూ బాధలోనూ విజయంలోనూ నా అన్న భావనతో మీ అందరినీ ముందుకు నడిపిస్తాను. ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు థ్యాంక్ మై క్లాస్ టీచర్ మిస్టర్ రామకృష్ణ సార్ అండ్ హెచ్ఎం మేడం మిసెస్ వసుంధరా దేవి గారు.